For many of us, a solid black wallpaper on our iPhone is best. A busy background doesn't allow for much contrast. I'll show you how to set a solid black background. Open Settings. Then, select Wallpaper. You might need to scroll down a bit if you've increased text size. Then, select the Add New Wallpaper button. Many options will appear. I will only cover one. From the options at the top, select Color. And from the color picker, select Black. This will change the wallpaper, but it's still a gradient. Dismiss the color picker and swipe left. The option at the bottom center should read Solid. To finish the customization, click Add in the top right to set your new background to be active. A preview will appear. Select Set as New Wallpaper and dismiss the Settings app. There is an opportunity to add widgets to your lock screen in this process. I did not want to cover that because there's a lot to it. Of course, feel free to experiment now that you know how to set your wallpaper to solid black.